I've been on Mertz for like a month. I'm not gonna lie, I ordered off one of those sketchy Instagram ads. A pixelated gif of a glowing pill rotating next to the word clarity. But hey, free shipping. First few days, nothing. Unless you count the fact that I finally cleaned out my car. Not clean, just threw all the empty coffee cups into a single Target bag. Baby steps. But then, out of nowhere, I started enjoying folding laundry, not a creepy. I get replaced by a Stepford way, and I'm like, this sounds kind of fun. The Bible says makes up your mind. Now honestly, my mind's been on IKEA manual written in hieroglyphics for years, so by week 2, my anxiety about replying to text turned into confidence. Or maybe just indifference. I left the island red for 6 days and then sent him a photo of a raccoon wearing a hat. He said, cool. We're best friends now. Mertz didn't fix my social skills, it just made me okay with the chaos. Don't get me started on sleep. I'm having these dreams where I'm just grocery shopping. But the produce section is run by a guy who looks like Bob Ross. He keeps telling me to follow the happy little avocado. Woke up and meal prepped for the first time in my life. Ate a vegetable. Felt like an adult. My sister says I joined a wellness cult. Joke's on her. I tried to explain Mertz to my mom and she thought I was talking about a new dating app. But honestly, I'll take it. My credit card debt still exists, but I smiled at my bank statement yesterday. Progress. I guess.